AI is changing how people make money online in 2026, but not every method is worth your time.
Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you AI money methods that actually work for your beginners.
In this video, I'll break down simple AI methods you can start with, even if you have no coding skills, no big audience, and no expensive setup. In this video, I'll break down simple AI methods you can start with, even if you have no coding skills, no big audience, and no expensive setup. This is not magic money. Nothing is guaranteed. But AI can help you move faster, create faster, and offer services people already need. The reason AI works is simple. Businesses need content, ideas, designs, scripts, emails, and help saving time. The first AI money method is content creation for businesses. You can create captions, Facebook posts, Instagram ideas, TikTok hooks, YouTube descriptions, and content calendars. Local businesses need this badly. Restaurants, barbers, gyms, detailers, realtors, cleaning companies, and small brands all need content. Ask AI to create 5 engaging captions for a business that wants more customers. Then clean it up and make it sound natural. Offer a simple package like 20 captions for $50 or a full week of content ideas for $75. The second method is AI short video scripts. Creators need fresh ideas every day. Most creators don't run out of motivation first, they run out of ideas. You can sell hooks, video scripts, content ideas, captions, and full short-form content calendars. Find small creators on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube who post often but need stronger hooks and better video ideas. Message them and say, "I made a few video ideas for your page. Want me to send them over?" The third AI money method is helping YouTubers with titles and thumbnails. YouTubers care about clicks. A better title or thumbnail can help a video get more attention. AI can help you create title ideas, thumbnail text, image concepts, hooks, and video outlines. Look for small YouTubers with good videos but weak thumbnails or boring titles. You can offer 10 title ideas and 5 thumbnail concepts for a simple beginner price. The fourth method is AI business writing. Online stores need product descriptions. Coaches need emails. Local businesses need website text and service descriptions. This works because AI gives you a starting point. Then you edit it, make it clearer, and deliver it professionally. Offer a small package like 10 product descriptions, 3 emails, or a simple website homepage rewrite. When someone says yes, collect payment through a safe payment app or invoice tool, then deliver the work clearly. Here's your first hour plan. Pick one method, create one sample, make a list of 20 people, and send simple messages. Don't spend weeks trying to be perfect. You learn by doing, not by waiting. Most people quit after one rejection. The people who win keep improving, keep reaching out, and keep showing up. AI will not do everything for you, but it can help you move faster than ever. Your first online win starts with action.
Yes!
If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Fast Money Marion, and comment AI Money below. Remember, you don't need to know everything to start. You just need to start. Fast Money Marion, out.